This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can check the remote controller serial number on this drone. So to begin, make your way to the GoFly interface or the flight controls. Next, on the top right, tap on the icon to launch settings, then select the About category on top, scroll this page all the way to the bottom, collapse the serial numbers, and here the second entry you'll see that is Flight Controller SN. Or actually, my bad, excuse me guys, the Remote Controller SN, that's what you should be looking for. Flight Controller is its own different thing. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.